So the system is the one created for Venice taxi up to a 40 feet boat. We have defined 3 different levels of monitoring control system depending from the different boat length and different functionalities required from the customers. Today we are going to show the integration between the Naviop monitoring and control system and Simrad navigation system inside the Simrad NSS 12 panel. Everything you have seen in the Simrad panel passed through and is managed by these 2 components. One, Nova light board. So this is the board we use, the unit we use to manage the lights and also the light dimming in this case. And this is the Agon board, and this is the unit we use to manage the loads and all the appliances. As you can see right here, you can see all the fuses and the relay, which consists the both, and you can see that it's very easy to replace a component once it's broken. And all these units speak with the system through the CAN bus line. As you can see here, by pushing this button, you will enter the Naviop monitoring system inside the Simrad panel. And from this kind of application, we have prepared different pages that represent the different functionalities of this boat. And for example, we can start from here, and you can see the light pages. And here you can manage directly the pages by pushing it, and you will have immediately a feedback of the appliances you just push. And we have already set some different scenarios, so you can choose between navigation lights or anchor lights or dock lights. It depends on the functionality you want. And then we can just scroll the pages. This is the appliances pages, and you can control directly, for example, the stereo. You can just, now it's turned off, you can turn on the stereo. Same things for the cabin fridge, and same things for all the different appliances inside the boat, for example, whippers and horn and things like that. And again, we can just scroll again the pages and go into the level pages. In this kind of boat, we have fuel level and freshwater levels, because for this kind of boats, we prefer to have this kind of functionalities, but these functionalities can be implemented. It depends from what the customer wants. For this kind of taxi, we have just this kind of levels, of course. So we have prepared also day view and the night view, and then we'll change the contrast inside the system in order to allow a different visibility depending from the weather and different condition. And we can have the same functionalities of the touch using this analog wheel. It's very, very easy to go through the pages. Just push the wheel and you will have the same things. Here we have prepared the alarm simulation, so we can just simulate an alarm to show how it works. Now if you go on the main page, you will see there's a red icon, so it's a feedback that there is an alarm running. You just push the icon and the system will show which fuses is broken at the moment. And so you can just go here to the alarm page and acknowledge the alarms. You will see that in the appliances page, the icon is not red anymore. So it means that the alarm has been acknowledged. Now we will show you how we monitor and control the engine. So by using the throttle, so this is the engine page with the different information coming from the engine, like battery voltages and round per minutes. And also we have information about the trim position. Another very important function is that you can split the screen and customize your own split screen information by just dropping the different functionalities you want to show on the screen at the same time. So we are just choosing radar, monitoring control system, and chart, and by pushing the save button, the system will rescale the information in order to offer the customer different functionalities coming both from Naviop monitoring system and Simrad navigation system. So you can have at the same time different useful information for the navigation and having the same functionalities of the two different systems. So you can move in the chart or using the monitoring control system. Then we can show appliances, levels, day mode, night mode, scenario. So the functionalities of the Naviop monitoring systems remains the same also in the split screen. Same things from the engine and from the alarm page.